Hello everybody and welcome back to Sam's Diecast Showroom. Today we're going to be opening up a 2022 Hot Wheels. This is the Nissan Leaf Nismo RC02 and a nice blue recolor. From HW Green Speed, number 2 of 5 and number 100 of 250 for 2022. From M-Case, HCX89 is the toy number. Hot Wheels Green Speed are solar powered and electric vehicles that prove you don't need gas to speed past the competition. Saw this one in red earlier this year. There was a black one that was a Kroger exclusive. Last year came out in metallic gray. And this one we see in blue. So let's get this open. I got this at my dollar store. Quite a few of them. They stocked M-Case for a while there. And there you are. Pretty nice Nissan model. Let's take a nice look. Loving this blue color. Wish you could see this off screen. This is such a nice blue. Really clean. 5 spokes as well. These are Phil Riehlman 5 spokes. And yeah, I've always thought these wheels spun pretty well. These ones spin a little rough, but still would be great. And you can notice that there is no black decal. You can see this all black on the side. This side, there's no black behind the letters. That is not an error. That's how they designed it to be. Because I opened up that red one, I thought it was an error for a second. I'm like, no, looks like this is the way they were intended to make it. So yeah, this is like a really nice Nissan Leaf, and I didn't know they would make a Nissan Leaf that would be this nice. There you go, classic Nissan grille. Nissan Intelligent Mobility, you can see that on the side there. I think they put that one in the 2021 release, that decal. Those are chrome red rim, Phil Riehlman 5 spokes. Nissan Intelligent Mobility, it's a matte black tampo on that. And then a black interior. Driving is on the right side, so that is opposite of the United States. Nice big spoiler in the back as well. Here's a nice look at this nice Nissan Leaf. 2022 Hot Wheels release. And a black plastic base. Thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe. See y'all in the next one. What car you want me to open up next? Goodbye.